watch that proudly represents Seiko's legendary heritage, while giving you the true feel of a professional dive watch, all on a budget. This is the homage to the legendary Seiko diver 6105, the Steel Dive SD1970. Let's start with a little history. Back in the 1970s, Seiko introduced an iconic diver, the 6105-8110. This was the very same watch worn by Martin Sheen in the legendary film Apocalypse Now. Today, famously known as Captain Willard, a rugged military-style dive watch that redefined how the world saw tool watches. From the battlefields of Vietnam to today's collectors' showcases, the Seiko 6105 remains a true icon. And now brands like Steel Dive are bringing that legendary design back to life for a new generation of watch lovers. The Steel Dive SD1970 is crafted entirely from 316L stainless steel. From the case to the bezel and crown, it has a bold 43.5mm case. Yet thanks to its short lugs, it wears comfortably even on slimmer wrists. The highlight? A flat sapphire crystal with a stunning blue anti-reflective coating, giving it that premium, high-end look. Inside beats Seiko's trusted NH35A automatic movement, a true workhorse. This movement winds itself with every motion of your wrist, but you also get manual winding for those days when it's been sitting in your watch box. A hacking function stops the seconds hand for precise time setting, while its 21,600 beats per hour provide a smooth sweeping motion, not the ticking you'd expect from a quartz movement. With a 40+ hour power reserve, this watch keeps running even if you skip wearing it for a couple of days. You can choose between a black, blue, or green matte finish dial, all designed to be anti-reflective, ensuring great legibility even in bright sunlight. At 12 o'clock, bold twin rectangular markers provide instant orientation, a true diver's watch hallmark. At 6 and 9 o'clock, single oversized rectangles ensure you always know the dial's position at a glance. The remaining hour markers are classic square indices outlined in polished chrome. Every index is filled with C3 Superluminova, giving you a bright green glow in the dark. The bold baton-style hour and minute hands are filled with BGW9 Lume, glowing a vivid blue, a stunning contrast in low light. The seconds hand features a distinctive red and white traffic light, Lume pip at the tip, an iconic design detail taken straight from the Seiko 6105, adding personality and heritage. At 3 o'clock, a framed date window with white background and crisp black numerals ensures easy reading. The Lume on this watch is truly a star feature. A premium blend of C3 Superluminova and BGW9 provides incredible brightness and lasting glow. You also get a 120-click, unidirectional rotating bezel, an essential diver's safety feature, ensuring accidental movement can only shorten, not extend, dive time. The bezel is stainless steel with a ceramic insert, scratch-resistant and premium. Its coin-edge design ensures an easy grip, even with gloves or wet hands. The 12 o'clock triangle Lume pip makes underwater timing a breeze, glowing vividly in the dark. What truly makes the SD1970 stand out is its turtle case design, a tribute to Seiko's legendary 6105. The case features a soft, cushioned shape with brushed top surfaces and polished sides, combining ruggedness with elegance. This design isn't just beautiful. It was engineered for divers to operate effortlessly, even with gloves. At 4 o'clock, you'll find the screw-down crown, a practical placement that prevents wrist discomfort during long wear. Deep knurling ensures excellent grip, while the integrated crown guards protect it from knocks and enhance durability. This detail adds a muscular character to the watch while boosting water resistance. The SD1970 is rated for 200 meters of water resistance. That means it's not just safe for showers or swimming. It's a true dive watch, built for snorkeling, scuba diving, and adventure. The bracelet is a solid 316L stainless steel oyster-style design, brushed for a tool watch vibe. It features a secure folding cleps with a double push-button lock and 6 micro-adjustment slots, letting you dial in a perfect fit for any wrist size. Despite its robust build, it wears comfortably at 44 mm in diameter, 48 mm lug to lug, 14 mm thick, and weighing 195 grams, perfectly balanced for all-day wear. If you're looking for a watch that blends timeless design, rock-solid build quality, and unbeatable value, the Steel Dive SD1970 deserves a place in your collection. Its Seiko-inspired heritage, NH35, A movement, sapphire crystal, incredible lume, and rugged construction make it a king in its price range. Link to purchase is in the description below. Go check it out. Which dial would you pick? Black, blue, or green? Drop your choice in the comments, hit like, and share this video with fellow watch enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe to Jainixi Watch Unboxing for more honest reviews, unboxings, and great watch deals.